Today I will show you how to animate blink text like this. Open After Effects, select new composition, make a name of composition. After this, select font style and go to sequence and select new and text. Type text and select the text layer on arrow, animate and select capacity and capacity will value 100 to 0 like this, and go to start offset keyframe 0 and second keyframe after 2 seconds 100 and animation like this, and go to advanced setting and rendering meter on and random speed 9 and animation like this. It's pretty cool. And select the text layer and duplicate the layer of text and select no fill color like this, and animation it's pretty cool.